So now that we've been introduced to Python and a world of data analytics, let's start with setting this thing up. The following videos will walk you through how to run the Python installer and make sure it works. Then we'll install an IDE. An IDE, it stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is a place that allows for you to write, test, document, and run your Python programs. So once the installer is downloaded, we'll run it and we'll follow the prompts to get Python set up on your machine. Now that we've got Python set up and working, let's talk about virtual environments. Think of a virtual environment as a separate place that allows for you to install and run different versions of Python and Python packages without breaking other Python programs on your computer. Virtual environments allow for you to keep your Python space clean and secure by installing packages in an isolated space and reducing the risks of conflicts and other compatibility problems. As we explore Python together, you'll come across situations where you might need to run a different version of Python or a different version of a package. For example, imagine that you're working on two projects. One requires Python 3.7, and the other requires version 3.8. Well, with virtual environments, you can create two separate environments for each of them and then switch between them when you need to. And if you happen to blow things up, you can easily create another virtual environment, and that can really help with troubleshooting. Now, don't worry if this feels too technical at this point. It'll become much more clear as we continue to code. So let's try setting up a virtual environment together. We've talked about what is Python. We've talked about data analytics. We've installed Python. We've configured a virtual environment. We've done all of the things to get you ready to start coding. So in the next episode, we're going to introduce you to the wonderful world of programming. So get ready to put your coding hats on.